You ever have a car come into your shop that went somewhere else, drove into that shop, and then left on a tow truck? If you haven't, go ahead and stick around. Let me share a story with you on a 2003 Lexus IS300 that came into the shop, that drove into another shop, and ended up here on a tow truck. Stick around. At this point, we were thinking it might be an igniter that went out, but you know, that's kind of weird how it drove in and then all of a sudden now it has problems. So as always, we put our scope on it just to figure it out. We were missing the IGF circuit for coil number 3. If you guys know these engines, coil number 3 files cylinder 6 and 1. So basically it was running as a 4-cylinder. From there, we decided to do a cam crank correlation. As you guys know, usually the crank wheel only has one top dead center indicator. As you guys could tell, during our lap scope capture, we were seeing multiple TDC indicators, which to us was kind of odd. At that point, we asked for some disassembly time. We took apart the front end, and what did we find? We found a broken tooth on the reluctor wheel. So at that point, we let the customer know we needed to change the reluctor wheel. We went ahead and installed it. We reran our test because we have to verify that what we did was right. As you guys can tell, the IGF circuit was back for cylinder number 3. And then we also had only one TDC indicator on our cam crank correlation. If you're struggling with your diagnostics, make sure that you guys reach out to us here at Master Automotive Training, where I'm going to be teaching a drivability class, electrical and engine performance, starting here within a couple of weeks. If you guys want to better your diagnostic skills, make sure that you guys reach out to us, so this way we can help you guys become one of the best diag techs out on the field. I'll see you guys on the next one.